Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik and on this guide I'm going to show you how to open a campaign on Twitter. Okay, so in order to open a campaign on Twitter, you have to sign up, of course, to make your own account on Twitter, which is the basic rule. And then you can go to business.twitter.com to start a new campaign right here. You click on that and you get to this dashboard where you can see all your campaigns or to create a new campaign right here, this black button. You can choose the simple way, which has less options, or the advanced way to choose more options. Click on next and you can see that you have few campaign objectives like awareness to reach more people, consideration, video views, get more views on your videos, pre-roll content views to pair your ad with premium content, of course, get app installs, website traffic, engagements on your tweets, and more followers to your account, app engagements. You can encourage people to download your app, conversions on your website, and of course reach people and users with high intent that are searching the keywords on the search bar on Twitter. Now let's choose right here this followers objective and click on next. Here of course you can make your campaign name, right here put your account and your funding source. Next, you can choose your daily budget. Let's say for an example 10 shekels for each day. You can choose your ad group name. You can make as much ads as you want per group, and you can end this campaign on a specific date or have it run infinitely. Now when you go down here you can see you have more options. You can target cost your followers, your objective, or make it auto bid by this machine, and accelerate or standard budget cost for every day, which I choose standard, not accelerated, so the budget won't end on the beginning of the day. Here you can see that you can choose your placements on your ads on timelines or profiles as well, or just timelines, which is the minimum. Let's choose both. Then you can choose the gender you want to target on the demographics and the age, of course the age range, and let's say this is my age range, the language of the people I want to target, and the location. I can make a radius around the specific location or a specific location. Now I go down here and I can even choose the device model that I want to target in the carrier. Down here I can choose as well the keywords that people search for on Twitter that I want to target, like ads that search for SEO, they search for my type of content. This is what they are interested in. Let's take for an example, I choose California state, and let's see how they wrote it. So I can choose it, there it is, first one, region or state. Then all of these filters and audiences parameters will reduce or add to this number, which is all of the people that I'm looking for to target on the specific keywords they are looking for. If I add more keywords, I will add more audience. Now this is enough for now, 2.5 million. At least I can also follow lookalikes, target and interests, and even movies and TV shows, and also events. Now these specifications will help me to reach my target audience even easier and better. I choose next, save this. Now I can create an ad on this ad group right here. This is the first ad. I just can tweet something and write something commercial, like to sell a product or to engage people to follow me on my account. Add a media which is already in my media library, like these videos that I already uploaded, or I can upload a new one, a new video or a new photo to edit right here. I can also add 2 to 4 photos for one tweet or for one ad, which will make much more engagements, and you can try it out. Now after that you can write your ad here and make it look cool, selling, and whatever you want, so your objective of the campaign will be achieved. After that you can click on next, save, and this will go through all of your campaign details that you've chosen, and if that's correct, you can go and launch the campaign and start to promote on Twitter. So as you saw, it's very easy to open a campaign on Twitter to improve your posts. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.